discuss about the index update. That means we want to insert data into the index. We have to insert a data into the table, or you want to delete the data from the table. So index update, it is a two type: inserting a data and deletion a data. Now the indexing may be the dense index or it may be the sparse index. And if it is a dense index, it may be the single data present or multiple data present. Or for the deletion, it may be the dense index, we may use dense index or the sparse index. If it is a dense index, it may be the single data present or multiple data present. So we have to take the strategies, different strategies for the different scenario. Now if it is a deletion, if it is sparse index, now no index for deleted data, or only record to delete, or delete a record from the set of similar record. So these are the cases. We have to see each and every cases one by one. Okay, so first case is what? Insert, and assume it is a dense index and single data present. Now we can say here we have to insert a data. Say this is what our index table. Okay, two parts are there. Say is a search key part. Okay, key part as well as the memory address. So roll number 1, here you store roll number, information about roll number 2, or address of roll number 4, address of roll number 5, address of roll number 6, address of roll number 7. Are you getting this one? Now suppose we want to, now the data file, two parts are there, roll number and the name, and from this roll number, from this row we can access jump, we can jump this particular row, from this row we can jump this row, from this row we can jump this row. And here, see here roll number 3 is not present, and we want to store roll number and the name. So what you can do, you have to update the index table as well as the data table. Are you getting this one? So you have to store, here roll number 3 is not there, you have to insert the roll number 3 as well as, and you have to update this one, this particular part here, and you have to store address of this. Okay, so if the single data is there, you can do this one. Now second is what? Insert dense and multiple data present. Now we can say, we can take two strategies. So first strategy is what? Insert dense multiple data set of pointer. Now this is what our index table, and this is what our data table. Here we store only single data is there. So in this particular part, these are the address part. We can say this is what our address part, and this is what our search key part. Now here address of 1 is there. Here in roll number 2, two are there, two data are there. So this is two roll numbers are there, roll number 2. So here you have to store, in this particular part you have to store address of this particular roll number, and here you have to store address of this particular roll number. Similarly, here you have to store address of this particular roll number 3 only, because single 3 is there. But here 3 4s are there, so you have to store address of this 4, you have to store address of this particular 4, and you have to store address of this particular 4. So suppose we want to search whether roll number 4 is there or not. So we may apply the binary search because it is an ascending order, and if you here, that means we can guess 3 memory addresses. So we have to directly, we can jump that particular data from this position. These are the addresses of this particular information for this particular row. So here suppose we want to insert another 3 when the name is nx. Are you getting this one? So this is what our index table. So what changes we have to done? So roll number 1 is there, roll number 2, 3 2s are there. Okay, say we want to store another 2. Okay, so already 2 rows are there, 2 2s are there, we want to store 2 as well as 3. So 2 2s are there. So this one is what is already there. So here address of this particular part is already present, and this 2 is already present. Now here this is the new 2. So this particular address is stored somewhere here. Okay, similarly this is the 2 already present, sorry, this is what our new 2. Here you have to store this one, this part. Now 3, so here we want to store another 3, single 3 is there, so it is already present, but this is what our new 3. So in this particular part you have to store address of this particular 3. So if you want to add something here, you have to update this particular index table also. And generally we use linked list to implement all these things. So if suppose here all 3 4s are there, and suppose we want to add another 4, so definitely we have to increase this particular memory size. And here generally we use the dynamic memory location or the linked list, and easily we can increase this particular size dynamically. Are you getting this one? Say this is what our indices, say 1 2 3 4, and here you have to use the linked list. So here I have to show address of the first one, address of the second one, address of the third one. Suppose one more one is there, one will come, so here I have to store address of the fourth one. Similarly here it is 3, for 2 it is full. Okay, so for 2 it is full. Now suppose another 2 is there, will come, so you have to create another, insert another node, and here I have to store address of the fourth 2. In this case, we have to show in insert dense multiple data present. Two cases are there. Case number 1, okay, where multiple pointers are there. Case number 2, where single pointer is there. That means here you can see this is what our index table and this is what our data table. Roll number 1 here you have to store address of this to roll number 1, and roll number 2 twos are there. Here I have to store address of the first 2. Similarly, here I have to store address of this particular first 3, address of the first 4, okay, address of the first 5, address of the 6, and address of the 7. So here suppose you want to know roll number 4, information of roll number 4. So we have to apply the binary search here. From 4 we can get the address of the first 4, and you are jump here, then we can read sequentially all the 4 information of 4. Now suppose here we want to insert 3 and 8. Are you getting this one? Now what you can do, so where roll number 1 is, the roll number 1 is there, roll number 2 or two roll numbers are there, 3 is single is there. Now we want to add one more. Are you getting this one? So what you can do, here it is already 1 is there, roll number 2 is already there, roll number 3 it is already there, and this is what our new 3. So it is not required to update the index table. Here you have to store, here you just here you have to store address of this particular row. So we can already, we know from this particular we can jump in the next row. So sequentially we can read. Suppose we want to add one more 8, but here 8 is not present. Are you getting this one? 8 is not present. So here you have to add 8, and here you have to add this one, and then you have to link this particular address. So if the similar type of value is already there, then no need to update the index table. We have to update the data file only and the memory link. But if the data is already, if it is not present, and then you have to update both index table as well as the data table. So here roll number 8 is not present, but if you want to add 8, so definitely you have to update 8 index table as well as the data table. But already 3 is there, so here the update of the index table is not required, but only you have to update the data file table. Next we'll talk about insert and sparse. If it is sparse, okay, so sparse means what? Already you know, we do not store each and every record information about the record. So roll number 1 it is there, roll number 5 it is there, and roll number 8. Okay, so suppose we want to search roll number 7 is there or not. So we have to first search this one, apply binary search. Now 7 is what? More than 5 and less than 8. You have to read this particular part, and if you read and if you apply sequential search, you can get roll number 7. Now suppose you want to insert roll number 11 here. So definitely roll number 11 is not there. So here you have to update roll number 11, and here you have to put the address of this particular roll number 11. Are you getting this one? Next we will talk about the deletion. Now in deletion also various cases are there. Deletion, it may be the dense, it may be the sparse. If it is a dense, it is a single data present or multiple data present, and if it is a sparse, and the records are there. So first one is what? Delete dense single data. Now we can see this is what our existing data file and the index table. So address 1, address 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a dense. So dense means what? Each and every search key must be present in this particular index table, and we have to delete roll number 3. So we want to delete this particular part. So you have to update the index table, okay, as well as the data table. This is what our data table. So now if you want to delete this one, so definitely we can delete this from this particular part as well as this particular part. So we have to remove the roll number 3 from the index table as well as from the data table. Are you getting this one? Next is what? Deletion dense and multiple data present. So multiple data present, already we have seen the multiple pointers are there. So this is for the first address of the roll number 1, address of the roll number, another roll number 1, address of roll number 2, address of the another roll number 2. Are you getting this one? Address of roll number 3, address of roll number 4, address of another roll number 4. So here you store multiple pointers. Now suppose we want to delete roll number 2. So if you want to delete roll number 2, we have to just update this. We have to delete this particular part only. We have to put null here. So we can see here, say roll number 2 roll ones are there. So definitely we can do this one. And we have to delete this particular roll number. So here we have to put roll number 2 and here should be the null. So we have to remove data from the data table. This is what our data, the data from the database, as well as we have to update the index table. Okay, and here you have to remove the pointer, this particular pointer. Are you getting this one? Now suppose one second we have to delete this particular 2. So definitely we have to remove this particular pointer as well as the total entry, because no 2 is present. Suppose you want to delete 3, so definitely you have to delete 3 from this particular table, from this particular database, as well as we have to update this particular data. Suppose 2 4s are there, and if you want to delete this one, so definitely here you have to put the null, and we can keep as it is address of this particular 4. Next is what? Delete dense multiple data single pointer. Now this is what our index table, this is what our data file. So here store address of the roll number 1, address of roll number 2, first row 2, address of roll number 3, address of roll number 4, address of roll number 5, address of roll number 6. Suppose we want to delete roll number 2. So what we can do here, if you want to delete roll number 2, here it is no change, means roll number 1 is there, roll number 2 is there. So we have to only update the database, data file. Here you can remove this particular 2 from this one. So you can see that particular entry is not there, but this connection is already present. Here you have to store address of the first 2, address of the first 2. Now suppose we want to delete address of the roll number 5, or suppose we want to delete roll number 5. So roll number 5 is there, so definitely single entry is there. So if it is a single entry, so definitely we have to remove 5 from the index table as well as from the data file. Okay, you can see roll number 5 is not there. Now so 2 roll numbers are there. Suppose you want to delete these 2. So if you want to delete these 2, so definitely we have to update. Now here we store address of the first 2, but we want to if you want to delete this particular 2, so here we have to update this particular part. Here we have to store address of this particular 2. So in this case, here it is the address of the second 2. This is what our second 2. Here we have to store address of the second 2. We have to update this particular part. We have to update now. Are you getting this one? So here we have to, here address of the first 2 is there. Then we use sequential search. Now suppose you want to delete these 2, then it's no problem. But if you want to delete this particular 2, we have to update this particular part. So here you have to store address of these 2. Next is what? Delete sparse. Okay, change no change index pointer. Now you can see delete and sparse. Now you can see the various cases. Now this is what our data file. Okay, this is what our index table, and it is a sparse. So here you store few of the address of the few records, not all the records. And suppose you want to delete 3, 7 and 10. Now suppose we want to delete 3, so we can see we should not change anything in the index table. Okay, because here suppose we want to search whether 3 is there or not. So 3 is what? More than 1 and less than 4. So we have to jump here and then sequentially you have to search. But if you want to delete 3, so definitely we can remove 3 from this particular data file, and no need to update the index table. But suppose you want to delete 7. Are you getting this one? Suppose we want to delete 7. But here we have to store address of this particular 7. Now if you want to delete address of this particular 7, we have to update this, but suppose you want to delete this particular data. So here and in this particular index table, the address of that particular 7 is there. So what we can do, we just update this one. So instead of storing address of the 7, here to store address of the 8. So here you have to store address of the 8. We have to update this particular part. In the previous case, no need to do anything, no need to change anything. You have to delete the data from this one if you want to delete 3. But if you want to delete 7, so here address of the 7 is there. So here you can don't do anything, you just delete this particular part and you have to update this particular part. Next, suppose we want to delete 10. Are you getting this one? Suppose you want to delete this particular 10. Now if you want to delete this particular 10, what you have to do? So already here address of this 10 is there and we want to update it. Now suppose we want to update it, that what we can do? So here we have to change this particular address part. Now we have to store address of this 10 because this 10 is already there. The first 10 is already there. We have to store address of the second 10. Are you getting this one? Similarly, say 9, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11 is there, okay, and 12 is there, for example. Now here it is 11 is stored here, okay, and for example 12 is also there. Assume 12 is also there. Now suppose you want to delete this 11. So what we can do? We have to shift this one. If you want to delete this one, what? We have to update this pointer, and here I have to store address of this. But this 12 is already present in the index table. So if it is the case, we have to delete this particular entry because the next data entry have already that particular address already present in this particular index table. But if it is not there, if 12 is not there, so if you want to delete this particular data, here I have to store, instead of deleting this one, here I have to store address of 12. Are you getting this one? So these are the various cases of index update. And that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.